So each of our grades in this course will be comprised of 5 different types of assignments. That's intentional in the sense that I think it's important to have diversity in the types of assignments that you all experience. That way we benefit different types of learners. So the 5 different assignments that comprise your grade for this course are discussion boards, research prompts, quizzes. There will be 2 certificates, and then we also have a final project. The discussion boards, much like other online courses, are a way to engage in conversation with our peers and extend the content beyond our readings and the videos, and provide an opportunity for you all to connect with your own coaching practice. The research prompts, they're not formal research papers per se, but it's just an opportunity for you all to dig a little bit deeper, perhaps into areas that connect with your own specific coaching practice. And each of those will be prompted in a sense by myself. So you'll be able to see those prompts within writing. The quizzes are the disability quizzes. So when we reach that module, it's important for us to have, at least at a very foundational level, an understanding of specific disability labels. And we'll cover 10 in the course. And each one of those quizzes is an opportunity for you to read and gain a more specific understanding of those disabilities. There are 2 certificates in which you'll earn within this course. One is a unified sport coaching certificate, and the other is an adapted sport coaching certificate. Um, I think it's great in terms of if we have practicing teachers, or for that matter just other coaches, that to build our resume in the world of disability sport, adaptive sport, and inclusive sport. And then we have a final project. The final project ties it all together. And as you read our text throughout the course, your final project will follow that case study model. So as you think and read of the different experiences from these elite level disability coaches and the context in which they work, I'd like to see yourself in one of those case studies, because at the end of the semester, you'll develop your own. So that's how our grades are comprised in this course. Speaking of the text, I've already put this in writing. It's a required text for this course. Personally, before I pay for something, I always like to search for it on Google. And if you can find it for free, you can save yourself a couple of bucks. So good luck. If you have any questions, reach out. And that's how our grades are comprised.